राइट, अब बारी है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की, विच इज फेमसली नोन एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. ठीक है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू गो ओवर इट्स स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल कैपेसिटीज. तो टू स्टार्ट ऑफ, it is obviously a double membrane organelle, and there is a space between two membranes which is called the intermembrane space. The outer membrane contains porins, which are transport proteins for the transport of small water soluble molecules from the cytoplasm of the cell into the intermembrane space. The inner membrane is more selective to the transport of ions and molecules into the inner matrix of mitochondria. मतलब आपकी outer membrane ज़्यादा easy going है, चीज़ें अंदर आने देगी, लेकिन आपका जो inner membrane है that is much more strict and allows very selective things inside the mitochondria. So they say mitochondria is basically a site of aerobic cellular respiration. They are also called the powerhouse of the cell because they are involved in energy production in the form of ATP. So they are more abundant in cells like liver and muscle cells, which need more energy to function. ठीक है ना? They are involved in the synthesis of lipids as well. And the aerobic respiration जो इनके अंदर हो रही होती है, वो matrix में होती है, as well as the cristae. अच्छा, अब ये देखो, यहाँ पे this is the matrix. So aerobic respiration is taking place both in the cristae, which are basically membranes that are bordering the matrix, and then the matrix itself. The matrix contains enzymes involved in the Krebs cycle, and these supply the electrons and hydrogens to the reactions that take place in the cristae. ठीक है ना? सो जो क्रेब्स साइकिल वाला पार्ट है ऑफ एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन वो मैट्रिक्स में हो रहा होता है, एंड दे सप्लाई द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड हाइड्रोजन्स टू द रिएक्शंस दैट टेक प्लेस इन द क्रिस्टे. द फोल्डिंग ऑफ क्रिस्टे इंक्रीजेस द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बिकॉज सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा हो गया, तो आपके रिएक्शन ज्यादा हो रहे हैं to carry out aerobic respiration as the surface area has increased. The inner membrane, the inner of the membranes, जो कि inner membrane होती है basically, is folded to form finger-like projections called cristae, जो कि जिसके बारे में हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं. And the interior solution is called matrix, and that is basically it.